Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. Check this out. This is car 106 in the Great Race, traveling Route 66. This is a 1971 Mercedes-Benz 280SL, and the driver and co-pilot are from Japan, from what I understand. But this is such a classic car. It's hard to believe it was the look of this car from 1971. When I was younger, these cars were, very rare. You didn't see many of them, but wow, what great design, what great body lines. And this is an automatic, as you can see here, but you can see the clocks, the timers. So it's a timed race, really interesting race. I've mentioned it in a couple of the other videos, but just wanted to capture this car just because it's such a neat car. There you can see the 280SL automatic badging. But great looking car, great event, and wish them well as they travel Route 66 all the way out to California. And they have different categories. So, and there's some of the information as far as they have a navigator that navigates the entire race, and it's timed, and they're limited by the miles per hour that they can go. So it's not a speed race, but it is an endurance race. So thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.